Thomi from the National Taxpayers Association, project officer on the project Tobacco Tax Advocacy in Africa. So our call over time has been to increase tobacco taxes in order to meet the WHO threshold of 70% of recommended selling price of tobacco products. So generally in Kenya, we've had some gains and sometimes some misses. But today we are convening to express our support for the calls on reviewing the Tobacco Act 2007 and Regulations 2014. So since last year, there has been a push to have this act reviewed in order to onboard the changes that has been occurring in this space. So recently, there have been calls from the executive through the Ministry of Interior, the Ministry of Health, and we feel that as the process is ongoing, because it has already kickstarted, there is need to have a holistic approach that is bringing together all the stakeholders in this space, especially the tobacco control advocates from the civil society organizations and also the general public, so that we may end up with a good or a better policy review process. We also are aware that there are issues regarding tobacco industry interference, especially the tactics that affect policies that are set in place. So today we'll be calling on the government and other stakeholders to come together, monitor the process, and in case they have any input that might be of help to come to having a better act, then we hope that this is the time. Also, in terms of now the evolution in the landscape, our current act, though it mentions and foresees emergence of new tobacco products and nicotine products, it does not cover the whole space. And so we feel that the review process should incorporate such, and also the issue of a solution fund, which is enshrined in our act and also in the regulation, should be reviewed, and its operationalization and usage of the fund made public and be more transparent.